Good morning, good afternoon and good evening everyone. So today I brought back the Redmi 9 codename Lancelot and I have installed the DroidX-UI on my mobile phone, the latest release for the Lancelot mobile phone. This ROM can be flashed on the Redmi 9 global variant and Redmi 9 Prime, the India variant. This is the DroidX-UI, version is 2.0, the latest version for the Redmi 9 Lancelot mobile phone, having latest version of the Android 14, having the latest security update is 5th Feb 2024. Now this ROM is working on my mobile phone. Basically my mobile phone is low variant, like having 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, but still this ROM is working so smooth on my mobile phone. Now those who have higher variant, like having 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, they will find this ROM will work very smooth on those mobile phone, but still the 3 GB variant is handling the ROM so smooth and good. Now this ROM is providing a call record feature, like basic call record application is coming by default with the ROM. So if you turn on this application, the call will get recorded automatically. Now we have to set the output format, like I just check the M4A or AAC. This format is working flawlessly. The dialer is having the record feature, but it will announce after tapping the record button. Call recording in progress, right? If I tap the record button,
ये कॉल अब रिकॉर्ड की जा रही है।
okay, shabash.
कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग अब खत्म हो गई है।
The dialer default record feature is announcing having announcement, but the basic call record feature is not having any announcement. So the call is being recorded with the basic call recording. Let me end the call and it will notify that the call is recorded. I will just tap open to show that how the call record quality is. Call recording in progress, right? And if I tap the
Telenor customer care में खुशामदीद।
AOSP ROM is not having the call record feature, but the ROM is providing basic call record application to record calls without any issue, without any lag, without any interruption. So the ROM is not coming by default the device certified, so we have to root the ROM to make the device certified. And also after making the device certified, the safety net will show pass, and those who do not want to make the device certified, they can simply use the ROM, because many people do not like to have a root access on the mobile phone. Well, before rooting the ROM, the banking application was working flawlessly without any issue, but after rooting the ROM, the banking application is having a trouble. We have detected that your device is rooted and cannot be allowed to continue, press OK, etc, etc. Now for this type of problem, we have to make changes in, like after rooting the mobile phone, going to Magisk and then tapping cancel time settings, and then going to down and turn on the enforce denial list, and we have to turn on denials first, then for configure denial list and selecting the particular banking application. Then we'll go back and we'll clear the banking application from the recent list, and let me try it once again. Now the application is not having any issue, it is open without any issue on the rooted ROM. Well, the root is basically requires to make the device certified. And yes, the camera is working, no trouble, no issue with the rear camera, with the front camera. The gallery application is also provided with the ROM. The different gallery application, these are the pictures that taken by me in this ROM. Well, you can see that I am using this ROM, and definitely you will find that there is no lag coming during using the ROM. So the application that you can see on my mobile phone are downloaded from the Google Play Store without any trouble. So here is the modification section, DXUI lab, where I can customize the ROM the way I like. So the wallpaper and style you can set, or you can customize the lock screen, the way you want, the way you like, and you can customize the home screen also. Battery is good. Battery is very good with the ROM. Both SIM card inserted in my mobile phone and they are on. You must read the description. I will provide the changelog of the ROM in my description, and for those who are using a Geo network in India, they have also some good information this provided in the video description. Must read it. So the fingerprint scanner is working, but the face unlocking is not provided with the ROM. Those who have a Redmi 9 codename Lancelot, like Redmi 9 Prime or Redmi 9 Global, and they are a flashaholic, they want to use or they want to have a different customized ROM on the mobile phone, definitely go for the DroidX ROM. Check it out. So how to flash this ROM on the mobile phone, let me show. Watch the further video, and do not forget to like the video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. And click or tap the bell icon, click or tap the select all. Thank you. Now before starting the video, this custom ROM cannot be flashed on the lock bootloader, so you need to unlock the bootloader of your mobile phone first. Tutorial unlocking bootloader video is provided, link provided in my video description. You can watch that video. Unlock the bootloader first, then you can follow the further steps to get this ROM on the mobile phone. And one more thing, that the bootloader will remain unlocked as far you are using customized ROM. Now watch the video, enjoy the ROM. So starting the flashing procedure, well, every time I will definitely say that save internal storage data before flashing any custom ROM, because this will format everything. And you must check the battery must be charged to like maximum, so the mobile phone can get the ROM easily. And about the ROM, well, I have flash the stock ROM back on my mobile phone to show the procedure from the scratch. So my mobile phone is having Miui 13.0.4 stock global ROM, and Android version is 12. In case if your set bootloader is not unlocked, then must unlock the bootloader first, and go to password and security, must turn off the screen lock, and in case using Xiaomi account, then must remove the Xiaomi account, and same way go to account sync your Google account once, and then must remove it. So if you have done all these things, simply power off the mobile phone. So here is my downloaded folder. This is the DroidX-UI 2.0 for the Lancelot, Redmi 9 and Redmi 9 Prime. This ROM requires a firmware 12.5.6. Definitely and must back up your IMEI numbers for once and save it to your computer hard drive. And the play integrity fix file to make the device certified, and the Redmi 9 TWRP and Line OS recovery. The TWRP to flash the firmware of the 12.5.6, because my mobile phone is having Miui 13.0 something and Android 12, and the Line OS recovery is to flash on the 12.5.6. The Line OS recovery support Android 11. TWRP recovery support Android 12. So I am missing the Magisk routing file. I will copy that file over here. Now I got the Magisk file also. So we have to download all these files like Redmi 9 TWRP LOS recovery, play integrity fix file, Magisk routing file, the firmware file, and the DroidX ROM file. All the links are provided in my video description to make easy for you all to just one click and download all the files. Now extract the Redmi 9 TWRP and LOS recovery with platform tools in same folder, and then copy the ROM file, the Magisk root file, and open the extracted folder of the TWRP, paste that both file in this folder. So we got the files. Now I will rename the ROM file that I just copied in extracted folder of the recovery. Just press F2 and give a name ROM. That's all. Press enter key. So the ROM file which was having a big name is change from the big file name to just rom.zip. And now I will rename the Magisk root file also. Click on it, then press F2 and then erase everything and type ROOT.zip, then press enter key, again press enter key, and the root file which was having extension of .apk is converted to root.zip. Now you can see that the recovery provided, LOS recovery, the TWRP recovery provided, VB meter. This VB meter is for Miui 13, Android 12, and this VB meter for the firmware 12.5.6 for the Android 11. So this VB meter file, and both VB meter file and recovery file will work also on the Redmi 9 Prime. Now coming back towards the mobile phone. So mobile phone must be power off. Mobile phone must be having an unlock bootloader. Boot the mobile phone into fast boot mode. Press and hold the volume down key, then power key. Just wait. When fast boot screen appear, then release both keys immediately. So we got the fast boot, but it reboot again. I will try to do that again. Press the volume down key and power key. Then when the mobile phone vibrate, immediately release the power key and then release the volume down key. So the set is booted into fast boot mode. Now check the other side of this cable must be connected with the computer. Now connect the cable with the mobile phone, and the set is booted into fast boot mode, connected already with the computer. Coming back towards the computer screen. Now here I want your concentration, so we will flash the TWRP recovery first. For flashing the TWRP recovery, we will use the flash 1 file, flash 2 batch file, and flash 3 batch files. That's these 3 files requires to be used for the TWRP recovery. Double click the flash 1 file first. The recovery flashing will start it and it will done. The window will get auto closed. Then double click the flash 2 file and double click the flash 3 file. Immediately press and hold the volume up key before Mi logo appears. Now just wait, the custom recovery will soon appear, then release the volume up key. We got the recovery screen. I have released the volume up key. Now I will go back to my downloaded folder. Internal storage got appears on the computer screen. Double click the internal storage. Definitely all the folders will not be in proper form. So now we have to decrypt the storage. Tap on the mobile screen, tap wipe system, then tap format data, type YES, then tap here, and when done, then go back to main screen, tap reboot and tap recovery. Recovery got appears once again. Internal storage also got appears once again. Double click internal storage and TWRP folder is only there. Now the storage is got decrypted. Now go back to the downloaded folder and copy the firmware file and the IMEI backup file. Copy both files from the downloaded folder. Go to your internal storage and paste both files on the internal storage. So we got the files. Now coming back towards the mobile phone screen, first tap install firmware or patches, then select the IMEI backup by tapping on it and then swipe. We got the IMEI backup file. Now I will refresh on the computer screen on the internal storage, and definitely you will see that IMEI backup folder. So copy this IMEI backup folder and flashable IMEI backup file. Copy IMEI backup folder and flashable IMEI backup file from here and save it to your computer hard drive. Must save it to your computer hard drive. Like as I said before, that if you have done already this IMEI backing thing, then there is no need to do it again. But if you haven't, then you must do it once. So we got the file, the backup file of IMEI on the computer hard drives, so it is saved now. Now I will come back towards the mobile phone screen. We'll go back to main screen, then we'll tap wipe system partition, then we'll tap advanced wipe, select the Delvic Art cache, data, cache, system. That's all. Start swipe. When done, then go back to main screen once again, install firmware or patches, then select the firmware file by tapping on it and then swipe to start flashing. When done, then go back to main screen and tap reboot and tap bootloader. The mobile phone will boot into fast boot mode. Now the mobile phone is having Android 11 firmware. It was having Android 12 before. I have flashed the firmware of Android 11. Now I will come back to my computer screen. So I will open the extracted folder of the custom recovery. Then I will double click the flash 4, 5 and 6 file. This time I am going to flash the LOS Lineage OS recovery. Double click the flash 4 file. The recovery flashing will get started. The window will auto close after flashing completed. Now double click flash 5, done, and double click flash 6 file. Immediately press and hold the volume up key to let the set boot into Lineage OS recovery. Someone told me that this is not Lineage, this is Lineage. Yes, this is Lineage. Thank you who informed me about it. And you can release the volume up key. After taking few seconds, the set will now boot into LOS recovery. So we got the recovery. Now on the recovery screen, tap the factory reset, then format data, done. Then format cache partition, yes, done. Then format system partition, yes, not done. You can see system wide failed. We'll do it again. Format system partition, yes, and this time it will done. Yes, we got it. Now go back to main screen, tap apply update and tap apply from ADB. So the set is booted now into ADB side load mode. Coming back towards the computer screen, now right click on CMD in extracted folder of the TWRP recovery folder. Type right click and left click on run as administrator. Click yes on next window. The command window will open. Now here we will use a command to flash the ROM file. Type the command ADB space side load space rom.zip, press enter key. Something wrong here, the ADB connection failed, the device simulator found, trying ADB KitKat sideload method. Okay, Ram. So I will tap cancel and I will go to main screen, then I will tap advanced and then I will tap reboot to recovery. Sometime this happens. Like if you see these errors on the command window, try to reboot the recovery. So we got the recovery screen once again. I will tap apply update and I will tap again apply from ADB, and the computer give me a sound that this time this mobile phone is connected in ADB sideload mode with computer. Now coming back towards the computer screen, now this time I will type the command to check the set is connected or not. ADB space devices, enter. So we got the set is connected in sideload mode. Now transferring the ROM file to flash on the mobile phone, type the command ADB space sideload space rom.zip, press enter key, and you can see that this time the ROM started transferring to the mobile phone from the computer, and at the same time it is getting flash also. Now just wait here. So installation got completed. Definitely you will see that install completed with status 0. Now tap advance and then tap reboot to recovery. And now on the recovery screen, tap once again apply update and apply from ADB. And coming back towards the computer screen, first type ADB space devices to check the mobile phone is connected. Yes. Now tap to flash the routing file ADB space sideload space root.zip, press enter key. Done. Again install completed with status 0. Now tap reboot and system now. So I will close this command window and I will go back to my downloaded folder and I will disconnect the cable just for a while, and the mobile phone will start booting. Finally, first boot completed. Complete the setup screen and we got the DroidX ROM perfectly on the mobile phone. We'll go to settings and this is the same ROM, DroidX-UI 2.0, Android version 14. Now we have to install the Magisk application to get the root access properly. Connecting the data cable once again with the mobile phone. We got the internal storage on the computer. We'll go back to my downloaded folder and I will copy the Magisk 27.0 APK file and play integrity fix file from the downloaded folder, and will copy these two files on my internal storage of my mobile phone. Now we are done from the computer. Disconnect the cable first from the mobile phone and then go to menu and open files. Just turning off the dark theme, okay, and go to internal storage, then select the first Magisk file to install it on mobile phone. Tap settings, give permission, go back, and if it say the app wasn't installed, tap it once again and install it. Done. Tap open to open the Magisk application, allow, and tap OK. Let the mobile phone reboot. So once again I will go to menu, then we'll tap the Magisk application to open it, and this time tap cancel, then tap settings, scroll down, turn on the Magisk, then go back, tap modules, tap install from storage, tap recent, select the Redmi 9 storage, scroll down, select the play integrity fix file, tap OK. Done. And go back to main screen, then tap settings, then tap go to apps, select see all applications, tap search and search for PLAY, select Play Store first, scroll down, select storage and cache, then clear storage, delete, then go back and select this time Google Play Services, scroll down, tap storage and cache, select clear storage, delete, done, and simply restart the mobile phone for once. So the ROM got flashed very perfectly. All things done. Play Store will show device is certified, and if you check the safety net, it will show it is pass. And enjoy the ROM. Do not forget to like the video and keep watching my videos. Thank you so much. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.